How to change currency in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, go to this website name workana.com. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the right top, you can see this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon. Now here, simply tap on your profile name. Here there's a drop down of my account. Simply select on my account. So basically we're in this account settings. Here you can find different options and you can even customize it. Here on the top, tap on personal information. Now there's a section of currency. So basically this is the place where you can select different currencies that are available. So it's up to you and the way you want to see all the payments and all the amounts. So simply tap on one and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.